I'm bored. I'm really bored. I don't know what to do. To be honest, we don't really have a TV. Yeah, that's cool. I'm really bored. I don't know what to do. I think I might go talk to Mr. Bear what he actually wants. Hey, Mr. Bear, what do you want? To be honest, I want Battlefield 5. This is kind of going by fast. I feel like this is being rushed. Make this not so rushed. Anyway, so you want that's whatever that is. I don't know what it's called. Whatever. Wait, what is it? Battlefield 5. Yeah, you want Battlefield 5? Yeah, I've been wanting it. Okay. I guess Battlefield 5, that's what you want. Battlefield 5. Why do you want Battlefield 5? Because it's good. Oh, okay. It's good. Hey, can I have Battlefield 5 right there? Jeez, why is it not in its case? We don't use cases. This is kind of new. Oh, how much is this disc? $500. $500. Dude, do you not know there's a new one coming out? Like, legit, a new one. Yes? 100. Why 100? Because there's a new one coming out. And because it's the only one in this whole room. Oh, okay. Well, I don't have any money, so get out. Well, hey, stop grabbing me. Get the freak out. Nope. Why would he have to throw me? Ding-a-dong. What's that? Why is everything going so fast? God, I hate this day. Yes, what do you want? Did you kill Wally the whale? Why would I kill Wally the whale? I saved him. I legit saved him. Well, I meant, not really. I'm kind of illegal. This is kind of illegal stuff. Am I going to jail? No, we're done with that. It's fine if you killed that other cop. Oh. Well, what do you want then? To be honest, someone killed Wally the whale. Wally the whale? Who killed Wally the whale? I don't know. We thought you did, even though you saved him. Yeah, of course I saved him. This wouldn't be right. Okay, then. I don't know. Okay, well, I'm gonna find out who killed Wally the whale. Maybe even tell the Cat in the Hat. Okay. Hey, Cat in the Hat? Cat in the Hat? Cat in the Hat? Hello? Cat in the Hat? He's dead. He's actually dead. He's dead. He's dead. Ah! He's dead. What do I do? What do I do? I need to talk to Mr. Bear. Mr. Bear! Mr. Bear! Mr. Bear! Mr. Bear. The Cat in the Hat is dead. The cat in the... Stupid dumbass bird. The Cat in the Hat... Mr. Bear. Mr. Bear. He's dead too. We have 2 dead bodies. I need to report this. I need to report this to the clone. He should be here any second now. Oh, hi. 2 dead bodies. Oh. What happened exactly? To be honest, I was gonna talk to the Cat in the Hat, and out of nowhere, what actually happens is I walk, and guess what? Focus over here. He is dead, and I went to go talk to Mr. Bear because he's smart, and he was dead too. And then I decided to call the cops because, yeah, Santa. Yes, Santa. Oh, well, we're gonna have to focus on this case. Okay. I don't know what to do. Ding-a-dong. Come in. Hey, what do you want? What do I want? What do you mean? You... To be honest, you kinda... I don't know, I'm a clone, okay? Oh, finally you think that. What do you want, though, for reals? I'm coming to cheer you up. I'm gonna take your place as the Cat in the Hat. I know a lot about that. I'm gonna take some drugs. What was he gonna do? To be honest, I have nothing else. I guess I'm gonna have to talk to him. Ha ha ha, die. Hello? What the hell? Die. Help me. Help me. Oh, this is awkward. Hey! What are you doing? Okay, that's it. You're gonna have to die. No, please, I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. I'm gonna throw you down that hole. Why? Because I can't block you with that thing. No, help! God damn. God. What just happened? That's it. I'm gonna have to end it. I'm gonna have to end your life. Now I'm gonna have to end your life. No, please. You really think that would do that? No, please. Dun, 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 dun. My eyes. I can't see. Are you okay? Am I okay? You saved my life. I mean, what's gonna happen to him? Is he gonna be okay? I think he's the one that killed everyone. Ooh, hey, nice shadow. I think he's the one that killed everyone else. Should we call the cops? To be honest, I think I'd go to jail for killing him. Bye. Well, I'm just gonna call the cops then. He is definitely dead. I'm not dead. Well, if he wasn't dead, he is dead now.